Today's new cars are going keyless. They're giving you a fob to enter your car. Very simple to use, easy to use. They give you 3 or 4 controls on your fob.
Different manufacturers have different styles of fobs. Here's a few examples.
And to get in your car, you just press the unlock button. You'll see the lights blink and you'll hear the locks go. It is great if you're coming out of a grocery store and you forget where you parked your car and you just sit there and you keep hitting your thing until you see the lights blink and your car blink. Great little feature. Using the fob is not the only way you can get in the car. You can have the fob, leave it in your pocket. Most cars have a latch on the door. Some vehicles have it where you just hit the inside and it will open. On this particular car, you have a button. Hit it once and it opens. And when to close it when you leave, hit it and you lock it. The beauty of it is it only opens the driver's side, does not open the passenger side. Therefore, it's a safety feature. So if you come to your car, nobody can get in on that side and disrupt you. But if you are with a family and you want to open all the doors, you just have to hit it twice. And all the doors will open. Nice little safety feature. When you leave, hit it and it locks. Great feature. Now, I know what you're asking. You're going to ask me, can I lock my key inside? Watch this. I'm purposely going to leave my key inside. Pretend I'm leaving the car. And I'm getting ready to lock it. I'm getting ready to leave. Go to lock it. What's it telling me? It's blinking. It says, no, you can't. Key's inside. You must have the key on you. Great little safety feature. Now, some vehicles, if you have an SUV or maybe you have a van, some vehicles will have the button on the back door and on the hatch as you open it. So you can open it up hands-free. Nice little feature. Okay, I know what you're thinking and I know what you're going to ask. The intelligent key, the key fob, whatever you want to call it, has a battery. What happens when the battery dies? How do I get into my car? Well, first, let me give you, most cars will give you a warning when the battery's low. So if you want to change your battery, I do have another video. See the link up above or at the end of the video, and I'll show you how to change the battery. But there is another way of getting in. Most manufacturers will give you the option of a hard key to get into your car. Now, several different ways to do this, several different manufacturers. We'll show you how to get in. And you can open your car once, and it opens your car. Twice, it opens the back. You're leaving, lock it, and you're ready to go. Now, how do you start your car? Once you got in the car, starting it's just as easy. The foot on the brake, press your start button, and you're ready to go. Press the start button again, and it turns off. How about that? Simple and easy. Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Ken Deininger with another backyard project. Let's go enjoy our new car. See ya.